Jesus, this is exciting. Is it gonna stay running? Am I gonna die? Can I even fit out of the garage? I don't know. Let's find out. Hey, welcome back to Flawedoffroad. I know it's been a little bit since I've done a video, but as you can see, I've got the Jeep kind of naked. We're gonna tie up a few loose ends here, and we're gonna take it for its maiden voyage, aka probably limp around the block and hopefully not have to winch back. I basically only have 2 lug nuts on each wheel, so I guess I probably better put the rest of these on before I try to drive this thing. So I went with these kind of splined lug nuts, and it comes with this key, which I'll keep in the glove box or something, and then it takes 2 different size sockets, can run it, I think. What do I got on there? 13/16. Anyway, let's get these suckers on there. This thing's weak as shit, so that's why I've given it so many ugga-duggas, because they're only like quarter ugga-duggas. So yet another issue I ran into, I had to unbolt the power steering reservoir because with this new longer master cylinder, my airbox wouldn't fit back in there. It's pushed it all forward. So it was either come up with something new or just temporarily disconnect this and move it so that I can get it out and test drive it. I also had to remove this little intake piece that kind of comes in down there into the front of it because it wasn't allowing me to move this far enough forward. None of these are lining up, but just to take it for a stroll around the block, it's fine. Okay. Jesus, this is exciting. Is it gonna stay running? Am I gonna die? Can I even fit out of the garage? I don't know. Let's find out. Ooh, brake pedal's still a little spongy. Thought we bled them good enough, but that's feeling kind of shit. Alright, we're in reverse. Well, I have brakes, that's a good start. They're just spongy. Dude, this is so close. Yeah, I had to vice grip the garage door open all the way because it's kind of broken. Ha! It hit a little bit, but we're making it. Uh-oh. Man, I have not seen this space empty in so long. say it definitely feels a little bit funny, and I'm going like super slow. I got no shocks. I just passed the cop. Got no insurance either, which is nice. I think I got way too much toe in going on right now too. Because I haven't even really tried to self-align it yet. I just kind of eyeballed it, but steering wheel's straight though. Definitely is a weird feeling being back behind the wheel of this thing again. Doesn't look like anything fell apart. My God, look at this freaking mess I gotta clean up in here. There's shit everywhere. And yeah, you can see I don't have my traction bar on right now. And I'll tell that story another time. But it's a good day. And I have literally just exactly a month to have this thing on the trailer ready for Southern Missouri Off-Road Ranch. My little group of friends have a trip called the Adequate Adventure, so I've got a lot to do and a little bit of time to do it, so I better get at it. So yeah, that's pretty much a wrap for this one. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you around the corner.